Hello everybody, today I am going to fix the ABS sensor. This magical cable will fix all my problems, and my problems is speedometer does not work, ABS does not work, and the DCS, whatever, the system that makes the car not drift. Lame. Well, anyways, that's what we're going to change, so hopefully this magical cable will fix everything. So let's just cue the music and go to the shop right now. So this is what it looks like in the speedo right now. But anyways, the problem that I said, speedometer does not work, ABS does not work, and the DSC. So, and one other thing, that it does not tell me the consumption and how much petrol or diesel I use while driving, and the range is constantly changing. Now it's 71. I'll bet you when I start driving it will suddenly be 40, and then 100, and then 70 again. So the gas gauge or diesel gauge goes wild. It goes down and up again and down and up all the way. And hopefully this will work. Okay, so I'm in second gear. I have 1500 RPMs, but my speed 0. So technically, if it's not allowed to film while driving, well, you have your proof right here. I'm not driving. I am standing still. You see the exhaust that we used? The winter is giving it a rough time. Maybe this is not the best kind of exhausts we used. Yeah. It's looking really bad already. But yeah, this is where we're gonna replace the ABS sensor right there. We're now gonna take the wheel off to be able to dismount the ABS sensor. Now the wheel is off and we're ready to mount or change out the ABS sensor. So we're going to change it right there. It sits right behind here, and after that I'm going to take off the other rear wheel and swap those over with these bad boys. So let's get to it. Okay, ABS sensor is right there, and let's replace it. Here's the current ABS sensor, and stupid me, you see the blue one right there, that's from the car. And the one I bought there is the gray one, so obviously they don't match up. But I didn't know that, so now I have the blue one, so let's just disconnect this and try to connect the other one. Okay, this is the old one. Okay, here's the magical new one. So let's mount this there and this blue one there where I showed you. That'll be good. Alright, the ABS sensor is changed. So I can show you if we just light up with my phone. So it goes from down there and all the way over there, and then underneath here and here. Another E46. Not so fun with low life. Now it's time to check the tire pressure in these wheels and then mount them. Okay, wheels are changed and the ABS sensor is in, so let's see if this magical cable have fixed all my problems. Now, as you saw, the car is off the ground, so we will try to start it up. Why am I saying that? I will not try to start it up. The car will now start because I am turning this key. I don't know if I have to drive a little bit or something. I will put it in gear. Second gear. Oil. It's still lighting. What the fuck? What? Wait. That's working. Okay, so we have speedo. But okay, so conclusion, the speedo now works. So the ABS sensor rear left did do some trick, but because of the speedo now working, but it's still lighting. So it could be front left, front right, or rear right. So yeah, I don't know, but so we went from those look pretty cool, I think, to these, and still the rondelles in the front. So yeah, whoop whoop! All the warning lights are now gone. Speedo works, ABS works, and traction control, and DSC and everything. Yeah, perfect. Finally, the car is in good condition. Fixed. Finally, the ABS sensor is fixed, so I can show you. See here, no warnings. It's all clear. And now this works perfectly, so I do have a low amount of diesel left. And this works again, consumption thing. So now I have everything here working. Perfect! Really good. The night was a success. Have a good night, or have a good day, or whatever time you're watching this. Have a good life, everybody. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you liked the video, and I will see you in the next episode.